Tired of generic websites and ready to build something that fosters real connection and trust? Today, we're diving into how to create a review-driven website inspired by Trustpilot, transforming your vision into a platform where authenticity reigns. First, choose your website builder. Popular options include WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. WordPress offers flexibility but requires more setup, while Wix and Squarespace are user-friendly for beginners. Once you have decided on the site builder platform, select a clean and professional template. Aim for a design that prioritizes user experience and easy navigation. Look for templates with built-in review sections or those that easily accommodate plugins. Next, install a review plugin or extension for WordPress. Plugins like Star Rating System or Customer Reviews are great choices. Wix and Squarespace have their own app markets with similar review functionalities and easy integration. Now, design your review submission form. Make it simple and user-friendly. Essential fields include the business name, rating, review text, and reviewer's name. Consider adding options for photo uploads or video reviews for added authenticity. With the functionality sorted, integrate a spam filter and moderation system, crucial for maintaining credibility. This prevents fake reviews and ensures only genuine feedback is displayed. Most review plugins offer basic spam filtering, but consider dedicated spam protection services for stronger defense. Finally, make sure your website is mobile responsive, easy to use, and provides value to the user. Test everything thoroughly and continuously monitor user feedback to improve your features. Make sure your website is mobile responsive, easy to use, and provides value to the user. Test everything thoroughly and continuously monitor user feedback to improve your features.